Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Rafe West. I'm aboard a southbound train here in New York City, and there's a new mask mandate that went into effect very recently. And you know what I've been thinking? Even though it's better than nothing, these masks don't really work. It's pretty obvious and apparent. Now, this is not a video to say that I'm into any conspiracy theories or the virus is not real or vaccines don't work. It's none of that, but I get it. It's better than nothing. And if I look around, almost everyone has their mask on. There's a new mask mandate. What they did is they threw it onto the businesses that if they don't have a vaccine checking policy in place, that the businesses could get fines of $1,000 and up. So there's a funny mask. You should have saw it. He was almost a chin strapper. But yeah, I used to even think that we were under attack. But you know, it is real. The virus is real. I'm not here trying to mock it. I'm here just trying to make a video on my thoughts about how effective are masks. I think I'm going to go back to the blue ones because these black ones get really hot and tight, warm mainly. You know, everyone has a riff with each type of mask. What I really need to do is get myself an N95 mask, because if you don't have an N95, then you're really just kidding yourself. And also, I wanted to tell you, people, get on the Hustlers University. This thing is really changing my net worth. It's increasing my net worth. It's increasing my understanding of money. And you know what I'm going to start doing? I'm going to start keeping a journal on things that I learn all the time, because there's always lessons we all learn, but keeping a journal is very important. And now I'm speaking about like trading, which is beginning to be like a side hustle for me. And I'm going to start journaling any lessons I've learned so I remember them, so I can look on them and say, any of those moments, like trading gappers only intraday, meaning within the same day, you know, things like that. And so get into Hustlers University. I'm going to link the video here for you to watch where I explain a little bit more of it, okay? Get into that. I think the price is still the same. Lucky for you guys, it's still the same. Got people joining. Hit me up when you get into the university, okay? RW is my name in the university. Hit me up in there, and learning a lot, and they're structuring it. Now I'm going over the personal finance videos, which personal finance is a very broad topic, but yeah, we're learning that in there. And so get into there. This is just an announcement again about it. Make sure you get in there and hit me up, quote unquote, hit me up, so that way we can talk, chat, and maybe even meet. Who knows? Because networking is another really important thing to succeeding. Networking and knowing how. I'm gonna dive deeper into human psychology and small talk and talking, because I have plenty of opportunity to talk to strangers. And so I'm gonna dig into that a bit more. All right, guys, so I'll leave the link for Hustlers University 2.0. Once again, you do not have to have been in 1.0 at all. Okay, not a prerequisite at all. 2.0, for the amount, it's going for to get into the university, the real education, the value is insane. I mean, it really is. Okay? So tap into it. This is Rafe West. Like and subscribe, and I will talk with you guys another time. Nothing unusual to report here. Most people have their masks on. Stay safe out there. Okay, everybody? God bless you. Someone sneezed. All right? Peace.